go. Here we go. You gotta put on some clothes. Yeah, can you put on some real shoes for me?
No.
Please? You can't wear
Put
those.
on like my gym shoes?
Yeah.
You hurt.
Well, you gotta put on something that's not Crocs, because those can slip off and stuff.
Right, that's what sport mode is for.
I know, I get it. I would feel more comfortable in getting... I just want to get you back alive. It's cold, but you got on Crocs.
They fur.
She talking about they got fur. You coming? You gotta pray first? Your nerves is real bad? That's okay, Mom. I got her. Mom is getting in the car.
I need to pray to God first.
You gotta pray to God first? Why? Haven't you saw my videos? Extra mamas be like.
Why is it up so high? I'm not that short.
Why is it what?
Why is it up so high? I'm not that short.
Then why would you get in without adjusting it? That's a part of the test. That's first test. Can you adjust that seat?
Yeah.
All right.
When I get in.
That's what I want to see. I want to see the adjustments.
Okay.
Okay? Not today. You're not the boss.
Never said I was the boss. Dang.
There you go.
Like all the way over there.
That's what I'm talking about. Get it ready. Okay, you know the buttons. Somebody ready today, baby. How do you feel back there, Mom? Think that prayer went through?
Prayer?
Yeah. I
Pray.
got my gym shoes on, jogging there, just in case I need to jump out.
I got a
And
break
take a
over here.
run for it when we get pulled over by the police.
Why would y'all get pulled over?
Oh, you can't drive.
She not gonna get pulled over?
I'm just saying I'm ready.
I mean, I guess.
I think not too much. Is it already? Is the car already on?
It's already. It's already on.
I just asked you. You said.
Oh no, I was just reevaluating your question. So yes, it's already on. The next thing I want to make sure is that you are pressing down on those pedals with your big toe, right?
Big toe?
And I want you to be able to swivel back and forth. So put your heel in position, so you're not picking your foot up going back and forth. You're swiveling back and forth. Yeah, just like that. How that feel?
Weird, because I got this big old shoe on.
But that's better than those Crocs. Amen to those. How about that steering wheel? How that steering wheel feel?